This 2019 Forest River Salem Villa Estate 393 FLT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, awning, TV, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Salem Villa Estate 393 FLT is 10,970 pounds. This 2019 Forest River Salem Villa Estate 393 FLT. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.